friends, welcome back. It is traveling day. I'm headed back home to Portland this afternoon / evening because it's at 6 p.m. But I'm so excited. I think this is the lightest I've ever packed in my life. And the reason why I'm packing so light is because I'm going back home. And so if I'm missing anything that I didn't pack, I feel like my sister should have what I need. So that's why I'm not like too worried about how light I packed. And the reason why I packed super light is because I'm flying Frontier, and with them to like check in a bag, to do a carry-on bag, it's like $60 to $70, and that's just crazy to me. I feel like I didn't really like realize that yes, like their flights are super cheap, but then if you need like checked in luggage, it's really expensive. So I'm just gonna keep that in the back of my head for like the next time I travel back to Portland in case I do need to check in a bag. But I tried to do like an ASMR this video, or I tried to do an ASMR videos for packing, and I feel like just because I was like on the go, like I don't know if they came out super good. So anyway, I'm gonna edit them and I'm gonna put them here for you guys for my packing. I really hope that I don't show up to the airport and they're like, oh, that's a carry-on, like you have to pay for it. 'Cause I'm gonna be so freaking pissed. I'm honestly even debating on taking like the tape measure that I have to be like, no, it actually like measures like what your personal item like says, the dimensions for your personal item. Because sometimes these airlines, I swear, especially like these types of airlines, I just want to charge for absolutely everything. So I'm hoping that I'm good, but we will see. And we're traveling with Miss Wolfie today. I'm gonna be taking her to Portland, and then next week when Danny heads out, he will be taking Blanca. So their stuff's pretty much ready. I pulled out both of our dog carriers today. Let me show you guys. And I'm pretty much ready to hit the road. So here you guys have my bag that you guys saw on the TikTok or on the reels or the videos, whatever. I really want to take my personal laptop so that I can work on some videos. And then I have to take my work laptop for work. So I'm hoping it fits. And then this is Wolfie's little carrier. I'm taking this one because it's pink. Danny doesn't want to take it. And then this is Miss Blanquit's, which is black and gray. And it'll suit Dan. Why can't I talk? I can never talk anymore. But this one will suit Danny better than me since it's not pink. And I won't be taking really anything for Wolfie on the road because it's a really short flight. I just walked her. She's eating right now, so I'll probably have another opportunity to walk her when we're at the airport. And then again, it's a short flight, so I'm not taking too much with me for her. I am gonna take her a little bag of carrots, just a couple, so I can get her on the ride. And then I have her leash, which I'll need over there, and then just poopy bags for her. But like food and all that I'm not taking. My sister should have some, or my mom, since they both have dogs. But other than that, I think we're like ready to hit the road. We made it through TSA, so I ended up being able to pay for Wolfie's ticket here, which was $99. 99 one way, 99 the other way. Oh my gosh. I was like, what is that? It's the freaking audio. But they didn't say anything about my duffel bags, so I hope they don't say anything as I'm hopping on the plane. I'm just gonna move forward with this positive energy, positive vibes. They didn't end up charging me for my duffel bag, which honestly I was kind of surprised, but thank God. So that was a good thing. We are about an hour away. So the lights turned off, but we're about an hour away from Portland now, and of course the skies are so gloomy. That's what I'm gonna get to, but I'm used to it. It's Portland.